In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Motorola. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. In order to continue, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select while using and allow in the pop-ups. When you're ready, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Then go into Settings right away. In them, you need to scroll down, tap on Apps under Accessibility, click on Default Apps, and finally tap on Home app. To apply iOS launcher, you need to click on it and choose Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into the same settings, choosing Apps, selecting Default Apps, and tapping on Home app. Now select Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!